Hello, and welcome to Industrial Hygiene for the Safety Professional. My name is Dr. Jim Withers, and I will be your host and instructor for the rest of this course, which will take approximately 40 hours. I'm excited for you to learn more about this very, very specialized field because it's one that I've been a part of for several decades. And I can honestly tell you that there are really no 2 days of professional practice of industrial hygiene that are ever the same. So very exciting and very gratifying to be in this field. In Unit 1, we're going to start out with you learning where the IH, or industrial hygienist, fits in on the EH&S team. And we're going to actually take a little road trip and have you try to understand each of the letters of the acronym EH and S. So give you some perspective on where the IH fits in terms of our overall health and safety program. I want to point out that having only 40 hours to do this is going to be very, very limiting to us and very, very challenging. OSHA, for example, puts on 2 or 3 day classes on all aspects of industrial hygiene. So they take 3 days potentially to cover the entire field. When I was teaching at Iowa State University, I taught 2 semester-long classes on industrial hygiene, and together those comprised the entire field or covered the whole field. And so, again, trying to do this in 40 hours will be a challenge, but I think we can give you a good sense of what this is all about through the readings, through the unit lectures, and then the little video clips that I'm going to provide to you along the way. So, again, we want to understand where we fit into the overall picture as industrial hygienists. I want to talk a little bit about our textbook. The editor, Barbara Plog, is very, very well respected in the field, and this is actually a condensed version of her larger textbook on fundamentals of industrial hygiene, which is widely considered kind of the best reference that we can get our hands on. So in addition to the reading that you'll do with this textbook, when we're all done, you're going to be able to put this on your shelf, you're in your library, and you're going to be able to have a great source for future consultations of industrial hygiene. You may not learn everything you need to know to tackle an IH problem, but you would at least know how to converse with an industrial hygienist on a particular issue, or be able to somehow frame this up, the issue that you're dealing with, as something that falls within industrial hygiene. So with that, we're going to get started. Unit 1 is a written lecture only. There are no reading assignments out of our text, but we will quickly move into those in Unit 2. So again, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I hope by the end of our time together that you're going to feel pretty good about your understanding of the field of industrial hygiene. Thank you.